Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angle sum for polygons. A polygon is a plane closed shape that is bounded by straight lines. We name a polygon according to the number of sides and the configuration of the sides and angles. This video will show how to find the angle sum of any polygon. Now, one of the simplest polygons is the triangle, which is a three-sided plane shape where the sides are straight lines. We have already seen that the angle sum of the triangle is 180 degrees. In other words, the sum of each of those angles, those three angles, will be 180 degrees. That can be also obtained by this simple formula, which is n minus 2 times 180, where n equals 3. n equals 3 because there are three sides. So 3 minus 2 gives us 1. 1 times 180 is 180. So that particular formula can be used to find the angle sum of a triangle, which has three sides. With the quadrilateral, we saw in an earlier video that the quadrilateral has four sides. The angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. We saw that also in an earlier video. So we can use the same formula, n minus 2 times 180, to give us the angle sum of a quadrilateral. n equals 4, so 4 minus 2 gives us 2. 2 times 180 is 360. If we proceed through all the quadrilaterals, we will see that the angle sum of any quadrilateral is the angle sum equals n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides. So if you're given any quadrilateral, that is a plane shape with straight sides, count the number of sides and work out n minus 2, that is the number of sides minus 2, multiply that by 180, and that will give you the sum of all the angles inside the polygon. So, let's have a look at some specific examples. Find the angle sum of a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. So the angle sum will be n minus 2 times 180. Here n equals 5, so 5 minus 2 is 3. So it's 3 times 180, which is 540 degrees. So the angle sum for a pentagon, 540 degrees. Find the angle sum of a hexagon, which is a 6-sided figure. n minus 2 times 180, n equals 6, so 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180 is 720. So those 6 angles add up to 720 degrees. Find the angle sum of a heptagon. That's a special name for a 7-sided figure, and there it is there. So n minus 2 times 180, 7 minus 2 gives us 5, so it's 5 times 180, which is 900 degrees. The angle sum of an octagon. Now an octagon, like octopus, is an 8-sided figure. If we use the same formula and let n equals 8, 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 times 180 is 1080 degrees. So the sum of all the angles there, the 8 of them, 1080. And finally, just for this exercise, find the angle sum of a nonagon. A nonagon is a 9-sided figure. If we use the same formula and put n equals 9, 9 minus 2 gives us 7. 7 times 180 is 1260, and that's the sum of the 9 angles. So this video has introduced us to the idea of finding the angle sum of any polygon. And all we do, we use the simple equation angle sum equals n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides for the particular polygon.